Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Putria Zara with student ID number 035, Class of Islamic Economic 2023I. First, I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Arashi Farullah SS MSc as the lecturer in charge of the Research Methodology course. In this video, I will explain the content of my research proposal titled Exploring Generation Z View on Gold Investment in an Era of Weakening Rupiah, a study of digital Sharia expansion. The global economic situation has become increasingly unstable. The exchange rate of the rupiah against the US dollar has weakened significantly due to various factors such as geopolitical conflict and rising global interest rates. This situation has prompted people to start considering long-term financial strategies. One instrument considered safe is gold investment. Gold is known as a safe haven asset because its value tends to remain stable, even increasing during crises. On the other hand, the emergence of Sharia-based gold platforms such as digital Sharia pawn shop has provided a solution for Muslim communities seeking to invest in accordance with Islamic principles. However, despite technology making access easier, generation participation in Sharia gold investment remains low. This is somewhat ironic given that Gen Z is highly tech-savvy and information-driven. One of the causes is the low level of Sharia financial literacy among the young. Yet in Islam, managing wealth wisely is part of moral responsibility. This phenomenon highlights a gap between Sharia financial service providers and the needs of today's youth. Therefore, this research is important to explore Generation Z perspectives and experiences of gold investment through Pegadaian Digital Sharia. In research, it's exploring in nature with a qualitative approach in order to directly understand the subjective perspective of the research question generation. This study are 1. How does Generation Z perceive gold investment as a hedging instrument amid the weakening of the rupiah? 2. Why is Pegadaian Digital Sharia not yet attractive enough to Generation Z as a Sharia gold investment platform? 3. What are Generation Z in-depth view on the concept, features, and implementation of digital Sharia gold investment through this study aims to 1. Explore Generation Z view on Sharia-based gold investment. 2. Identify factors related to experience, understanding, motivation, and barriers to investing in gold through Pegadaian Digital Sharia. 3. Provide a comprehensive overview that can serve as input for Sharia financial institutions in developing marketing strategies. The study is expected to provide the following benefits. 1. Theoretical benefits. A. Contribute to the development of literature on digital generation-based Sharia investment. B. Serve as a reference for other research in similar studies. 2. Practical benefits. A. Provide information and recommendation for Pegadaian Digital Sharia in improving and attractiveness of their service. B. Provide Generation Z with an understanding of the importance of Sharia. Investment is the expenditure or placement of funds in certain assets with the expectation of obtaining profit in the future. According to Sutta and Webster, investment is an effort to maintain and increase economic value in the long term. Lipsey categories investment based on duration, short time, medium term, and long term. Mankey states that investment is also an important component of GDP as it plays a role in creating capital goods for the future. Key points: 1. Investment is the postponement of consumption for future gain. 2. It plays a role in economic growth and social well-being. 3. This is influenced in Islam investment of part of muamalah, which is permissible as long as it does not conflict with Sharia law. The main principle of Sharia investment are freedom from riba, gharar, and maisir. Halal investment must be carried out with clear agreement and transparent process. Supporting argument, Quran Surah Yusuf ayat 46 sampai 49, economic planning in facing difficult time. Quran Surah Al-Baqarah 275, Allah permits trade and prohibits usury. Quran Surah Taubah 34 until 35, prohibition against harding investment benefit instrument that is resistant to inflation. The value of gold tends to remain stable and even increases in uncertain economic condition. According to Kusnandar, gold has advantage in terms of security, liquidity, and long-term value retention. Supporting factor, the price of gold rose from 800.000 per gram di tahun 2021 to 1.800.000 per gram di tahun 2025. Two can be purchased in small denominations such as 0.01 grams. 3. Suitable for all demographics, is the ratio between two currencies and play a major role in determining the price of gold. When the rupiah weakens against the dollar, the price of gold in rupiah rises. This makes gold increasingly attractive as a hedge. Expert opinion, Sadono, exchange rate affect current transaction and macro variables, understand the US dollar and gold have an inverse relationship. Suharto, interest rate influence interest Sharia over investment, the comply with Islamic principle such as gold saving and gold pen. Transactions are conducted using murabaha and run contract without riba and with full transparency. Customers can purchase gold start from 0.01 grams through a digital application. Advantage, halal and monitored transaction, easy digital access, can be printed or weakening of the rupiah has prompted people to seek safe investment. Sharia gold has become a popular choice because of the stable value and halal status. Gen Z, as digital native, have access to technology, but they are not yet maximizing the use of Sharia platform. The reason for this include low financial literacy and promotional approach to do not suit their character. Framework focus, why are Gen Z not interested even though access is open? How do they perceive the concept and features of digital Sharia? What can be developed to make the Sharia financial platform? This research in exploratory qualitative with a case study approach. Data was obtained through in-depth interview, observation, and documentation of Gen Z students in Surabaya who are familiar with or use Pegadaian Digital Syariah. The analysis technique used the Miles and Uber model, which consists of data reduction, presentation, and verification. Technical details, location, campus in Surabaya, sample purposes sampling, validation, triangulation of source and investment is a relevant financial solution amount to weakening of the rupiah. Although Pegadaian Syariah offers a Sharia compliant platform, Gen Z participation remains low. This indicates the need for a new approach to financial education and promotion that is in line with their digital lifestyle. This research will provide in-depth insight as a basis for developing more inclusive and adaptive service. Thank you.